Hi, Victor. In such a paper heavy industry, how can AI make sense of their work?
I mean, that really speaks to the crux of everything that 1000 ml also does. But really, the problem that we alluded earlier was that one of the classes of problems that they can actually affect or have a positive outcome with is around document automation, contract review. I mean, really, like the reading of things, right? So you might imagine in document automation where legal counsel is in charge of either creating or verifying certain documents. If you have sort of a rule book, a playbook of sorts of the kind of things that are allowed or that are normal in your documents and your agreements and whatever kind of things you're doing, you can basically run an NLP model against real document versus what your playbook has and verify that things are good, that they're in line, and only sort of surface the documents that don't appear that way. And you could do that across many documents. Even just the extraction and reading of documents for specific pieces of data in them. The understanding of these documents isn't just specific to all of the material that's in them. There is key pieces of information like commencement dates, like counterparties, like specific clauses, and you can extract and digitize those and then look to analyze them better. And in terms of contracts, you can do a very similar thing. You can also, by having a chain of command or chain of use or visibility throughout the whole thing, you can also see who's had their hands on the document, which helps you get to a place where you've seen all of the workflow that got you to that final contract. So you understand who wrote it, what template it came from, all this stuff. And that allows you basically to ensure that things weren't tampered with and things weren't really done in a malicious way. Generally, you're going to have, let's say, we'll paint the picture of a very large law firm. You're going to have, obviously, the high paid lawyers and then the people just beneath them. But at some level, you end up having articling students and interns and paralegals. Those are generally the people that are doing a lot of this reading. They're reading the mass and the high volume of things, whereas the high paid lawyers are probably just giving opinions on certain things they either don't have an understanding of or that caught their eye. So it's possible that you don't need such a large team of paralegals or articling students, but that may be part of your business to do this work, and you could actually do it faster as well using automation. So that's generally, because it is a paper heavy thing and you want to read things and understand them, NLP and AI really fit nicely in this kind of workload.